Mother wakes up early.
Mother wakes up early.
She makes the bed after getting up.
She makes the bed after getting up.
Father stretches his arms.
Father stretches his arms.
My mom is washing dishes.
My mom is washing dishes.
She is cooking food.
She is cooking food.
A boy is brushing his teeth in the bathroom.
A boy is brushing his teeth in the bathroom.
She is reading a funny book.
She is reading a funny book.
A boy is doing homework.
A boy is doing homework.
They are playing with toys.
They are playing with toys.
She is sweeping the floor.
She is sweeping the floor.
The daughter drinks milk.
The daughter drinks milk.
My mother packs lunch.
My mother packs lunch.
He wears his shoes.
He wears his shoes.
A cat sleeps on the chair.
A cat sleeps on the chair.
He is clapping his hands.
He is clapping his hands.
My dad is repairing the bike.
My dad is repairing the bike.
She is combing her hair.
She is combing her hair.
My sister is drinking water.
My sister is drinking water.
My father is painting the wall.
My father is painting the wall.
My brother is eating cake.
My brother is eating cake.
My dog is sleeping on the carpet.
My dog is sleeping on the carpet.
I am washing my hands.
I am washing my hands.
My mom is chopping carrots.
My mom is chopping carrots.
She is wiping the table.
She is wiping the table.
My son is taking a shower.
My son is taking a shower.
They are watching television.
They are watching television.
My mom is peeling an apple.
My mom is peeling an apple.
My mom folds a shirt.
My mom folds a shirt.
The cat plays with yarn.
The cat plays with yarn.
My daughter cleans her desk.
My daughter cleans her desk.
The dog is barking.
The dog is barking.
My son is drinking juice.
My son is drinking juice.
Father locks the gate.
Father locks the gate.
The cat stretches its legs.
The cat stretches its legs.
I carry a basket.
I carry a basket.
My mother is washing vegetables.
My mother is washing vegetables.
She is opening the fridge.
She is opening the fridge.
Thank you so much for watching my video. Please help like, share and subscribe my channel.